Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is my week in review. I do this once a week, or try to, in order to share my wins and losses, and hopefully people on this channel can learn from it. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing what I do. So let's dive into it. First off, it's the end of the month. Today's March 2nd, Saturday. So it's actually kind of a month in review. And for the month, I clocked in by collecting over $1,000 in premium. That's by far my best month ever. So February I collected, 1,093 of premium. So that's really, really good. If I could do that once a month on a $20,000 account, that would be, I don't know, roughly like a 60% return. So let's see, if I get 1,000 a month, it's 12,000 a year divided by 20,000. It's a 60% return. I'm not saying I'll do that every month. This is a really good month. The market was kind of in favor, and part of it's controlling risk, and part of it's luck. But I was just fortunate enough to have a really good month here. So let's see what I did this month in no particular order. I had 100 shares of O. I wanted to put that to work, so I sold a covered call against that at the $55 strike price, and it's out quite a ways to April 19th is the expiration date on that. And the $55 strike price, I collected a $70 premium for that. So here's my $70 premium. It's in process for this one. And that's what the value of having 100 shares of stock. You can just kind of set it and collect some premium in addition to the dividends that O pays monthly. So I collected a little dividend for that as well. So I'm going to keep adding to this. It's a great stock, I think. I'm going to be looking at some other REITs. This is a real estate investment trust. And next thing I did was I sold a cash secured put on SOUN, which is SoundHound AI. So I did this with 3 days to go towards expiration, collected $70 premium. It started to get pretty close into the money. So I decided on Friday, just before close, to close this out. Since I collected $70, I paid $5 to buy the contract back. So I ended up at $65, and that's really good. I wasn't too familiar with the stock, so I didn't want to, it was starting to go down into the money. And so I just decided to close it out, and I'm going to do some more research, but I've heard good things about this stock. Next thing I did was I had this covered call on Unity Software, and it was about to expire worthless, so I just bought it back for $1. I had rolled this out a couple times, so I collected some premium on that, decided to just close this one out. Next thing I did was I bought 3 shares. I saw this stock called Snow, and it had hit its earnings and gone way down from like 232 down to 182. I decided to buy a few shares. I bought them at 184.98, and the earnings came in and they beat expectations. The only thing that happened was that their CEO was stepping down. They're getting a new CEO, so people got spooked, and I'm hoping this is going to go up. But if not, I've got 3 shares, not a big deal. It cost me $556.47 for that, so I'm going to keep an eye on that. Snowflake is a kind of a popular stock as well. It provides cloud data, warehousing software. Everything's going to cloud now, so cloud's a good option to invest in. Next thing I did was on Friday, this AI call I had out was well into the money, so I just let it expire and had the shares get called away from me. So I collected a pretty good premium on that. I do like AI. I've been dealing with it quite a bit in the last couple months, and I'm doing more research on it. I did do another cash secured put on it on the 29th, collected $58 premium there. So I still have another put out for AI in addition to the one I had earlier, which is the 31.5 strike price, and then I've got this $33 strike price. So the one I sold on Friday was the $33 strike price. Then next on Friday morning, this Unity Software here was about to expire worthless, and I wanted to free up my capital to keep investing in more stuff and not have to wait over the weekend. So I collected $62, bought it back for $3, Ended up with $59 as premium for that. And that was a cash secured put. So I got some freed up capital, about $2,700 that I can continue to work with. Let's see. Again, I talked about the AI. I haven't made many trades yet so far this month. So March, I just made this one. Let's see. I got some tax return, about $1,400. So I added that today, and my balance has gone up a little bit. And I'm going to be, since it's the first of the month, get $1,600 that I'm going to dump into here, which I'm going to do every month. I'm planning on doing that every month, growing this. So the year 2, I'll have hopefully $58,000 with a 30% growth rate by adding $1,600 a month. And that tax return is just kind of a bonus that'll accelerate this. And hopefully in 10 years, I'll have close to $1 million. It's kind of my overall plan here. So that's it for the week in review. And the month in review is I'm up 1,093. We're going to see what I can do this next month in March. And that's it for now. Hopefully you got some value out of this. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified of any new videos I've got coming out. Hopefully once a week I'll continue to do these and share my experience. And I'm also going to be trying to put out some more how-to videos and do different kinds of trades. I'm going to get into iron condors and credit spreads. So yeah, hopefully you got some value out of this, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.